The next thing that we're going to do is start to define the bottom a little bit. And in order to get down and do that, we need to use the tool that has a finer tip for a bit more control in detailed cuts. And that tool is going to be a 3/8 spindle gouge. You'll see that it's down to a fairly long tip on there, which allows for good control on making fine detail. And so I'm going to go in here, I'm going to make a cove cut to define where the bottom of this oil lamp is, so that it sits nice and flat on a table. I want to move the tool rest in a little bit closer so that it's right next to where the tool is cutting. And so that will be the base. We still need to do some sanding on here, but we don't want to take off the support of the tailstock until after the sanding and most of the finishing is complete. And so I'm going to leave that little stem right there until right near the end.